Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're with Google Can Go. Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's made out of this metallic metal, and it has all these things, a doll, and a whole bunch of other things. Metal ruler, painting, comes with a metal case, which is this. And it comes with a whole bunch of other things. Oh, and it comes with white pens and a sharpener with an eraser and 2 manuals. So let's get unboxing. Today I have a guest with me. What? But from the start, you can see the box has some texture to it. Metal. And heavy. Not that heavy. You can see it has a little texture on it. So let's do it. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see they have manuals with pro level coloring. They have what is this? See-through sharpener. A white crayon. White pencils, and then there's two white tiny pencils.
What is this?
It's an eraser. It's a mini eraser.
Ow. Ow.
Then you can see this.
Wait, what is this for?
This is for like paint. I think.
Oh, wait, what is it? A ruler?
It also comes with a see-through ruler.
Man, what is this?
That's a stand.
Oh, it's a stand?
And then it also comes with another.
I will take this off. I will take this off. Like,
okay.
Wait, can you make a tiny hole here?
Off. Yeah.
Put this.
I need help from a strong person. Wow. Comes with a little sketch pad.
What? A sketch pad?
Yes. Let's look at the main event.
Look at this ass.
And right off the bat, you can see it comes with a little statue. Turn on his legs. Hello, I need you guys to like and subscribe. And it also comes with a little warning stamp.
That's not shit.
No. Came with a little character.
Can you just draw on it?
Draw the character? No, because then it's gonna ruin the stuff.
Oh, I think we just paint on it. Sketch pad.
Comes with lots crayons, and also different types of black crayons. It also comes with a really small eraser. And finally, we got it out. Whoa, camera's about to fall. So this is practically a pro person.
Why can't we just, when we're finished, we could take out this and then we could have our own suitcase. With that, we could just take out the plastic like that.
And then now this is practically a mini sketch pad, mini coloring kit you can carry around. Can't open now. See you later. I hope I see you next time. Bye.